Hey everyone, how's it going? And this is an eclipse-earn crypto review, if it's legit or scam. And the short answer is that it's a scam. Anything, guys, that is make money quick or related to trading, that hey, if you invest with us, we're this, we're that, these things are basically scam. Because I mean, you can trade things like Bitcoin and Ethereum and Litecoin that they promise you that hey, you can do it, but they are designed to steal your money. At first glance it may seem legitimate, things like that, but the thing is, this is not a legit app. It is too good to be true returns. Like, come on, if they're making statements like hey, you can invest $10 and get $100 back, don't you think they'd do that themselves and not release it to the public so that only they stay rich? There's no transparency, there is no ability to withdraw funds. What does that mean? Like, you can deposit, but you cannot withdraw. So it's like once you give your money, even if you make $1 billion, there's no way you can withdraw that money. So this is basically a scam. Don't go for it. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.